So, welcome back everyone. Got the young birds out right now, flying real nice. Got some still scattered, but yeah, that's not what today's video is gonna be about. We did have the first race of the season this weekend. It was a blow home race. It only took 52 minutes. For 65 miles or 105 kilometers. So yeah, I'll just go over the results of these guys real quick. Again, it was a blow home race. I really don't like these races. They don't take much from the pigeons themselves. They just get blown home by the wind. But yeah, we did have average results. I'll go over them. I think there was about 550 pigeons in the race. We did get 3 prizes. So yeah, this guy was actually home first, as usual. That's the best pigeon. That's the best pigeon on this loft by far. Let me just move this out of the way so I can actually talk about the pigeons. So yeah, the blue bar was home first, like I said, right there. He got around 100 placing, 103rd I think, which is decent for a blow home race. Yeah, with this kind of race, you're not the best pigeon doesn't win the race, obviously. Just the pigeon with the most luck does. But yeah, if you can move, please, Jesus Christ. So yeah, that guy was home first, and actually, which did surprise me, this guy was actually home second. Yeah, I don't know why you're being like that. You're really annoying. You might lose your head. But yeah, that guy was actually home second. Didn't expect it. He didn't fly the best as a young bird by any means. Actually, he might be the worst bird on this loft, aside from the grizzle. This one might be the second worst bird. This is actually the son of the big grizzle and some Paul Sturksen. So yeah, which is actually quite surprising because that's more of a 200k strain put together. So yeah, and then the guy that was home second was pretty surprisingly that guy. He didn't fly last year as a widower because he hurt himself really bad. So we didn't let him fly, so yeah. And all of these birds usually fly really well on 200k, not 100, especially when it's a blow home race. But yeah, that guy did fly well on 100k as well last year. And the year before, I mean. The year before is when he won 4 first placings. Yeah, obviously he didn't get a first placing now, but next weekend will be a headwind race. So yeah, it'll show way more of these guys and what they're capable of. So yeah, I don't actually know when the 200k races will start. We're not allowed to take pigeons into France yet. I think the border's closed or something. I'm not sure. And obviously we didn't take that guy. His tail is still growing back. I don't know if I mentioned, but he got lost in the last toss. But yeah, he came back like a few days later, so all is well. But yeah, at the end of this video I will have the results on the sheet and then I'll show them off, but I don't have it with me right now. It's actually at my home. And obviously this isn't my home. This guy flies really well on 200k, but he's always lost on 100 for some reason. Yeah. Yeah, most of these birds fly well on 200k, except for the blue bar. That's a 100k bird. It might be the only 100k bird on this loft. Pretty sure, yeah. Oh no, the old red bar did fly first placing on the Federation even. But yeah, also know they blow home race. Just in a normal wind still race, so yeah. Let's take a look at the young birds flying. I will get some actual race footage next time. I did get some race footage, but only like a 2-minute clip of a few pigeons. So obviously I'm not gonna make an entire video just showing 2 minutes of footage. That would be a waste. Yeah, we did get a small figura pigeons, as you can see right there. We put them on here, so yeah, to use them as dropper birds for when the racing starts with the young birds. Yeah, as you can tell by how he's breathing right there, it's actually quite hot. It's like 20 something Celsius, of course. And the sun is out, not a single cloud in the sky at the moment. We're gonna actually, maybe this weekend or even this week, we'll have the young birds the second round out for the fourth time, so yeah, stay tuned for that. Look at these little guys sitting on there. They actually cannot fly that well, that's why they're used as droppers. Yeah, I don't know. Oh yeah, I forgot to let the other ones out. I was counting them, and I was like, that's not that much pigeons actually, so yeah, I forgot to let these guys out. Let me just open this up. Oops, my bad, guys. Let's open it a little bit further. They should be getting used to going out right there. The other ones. We did have some switch ups in this loft. I'll go over them in another video. And we do actually have some sick birds as well, which I'll show off right now. Let's just move this so they can drop in. Oh yeah, and I almost forgot to mention, we did change these up as well. They used to be see-through, which was gonna make the loft really light and makes them mold faster, so we decided to put some non-see-through ones on there, which does make the loft really dark all of a sudden, so yeah, they shouldn't mold as soon. But yeah, these are the sick ones. This guy was actually, I don't know if you can see him well because of the sun, but yeah, he's really skinny. He was in the widowing loft and we put him in here just because the droppings were a bit weird, a little green. And I don't know if you can tell, but sitting right there is also another bird, but that's a second round bird. Also a little skinny, also a little green droppings, a little wet. I don't think it's that one disease that's really bad, but yeah, we just decided to separate them just in case. These guys are still flying well. Oh, I still need to scare them up. Got the flagpole right here. There we go. Let's let it back down. Yeah, every bird needs to fly here. A bird that doesn't fly is pretty useless. And those just drop down again, so I'm not gonna bother. Yeah, they still need to get in shape. Excuse me. They still need to get into shape. Oh, it looks like there's already one. Look at how they're breathing. The first really hot day out flying, and they're already breathing like that. So they should fly a little less circles and more straight lines, which helps. So they don't have to constantly accelerate. They can just kind of fly in the wind, let them drift. But yeah, they'll do that once they get in shape. I'll start calling them inside in like half an hour or so. Just gonna mow that lawn right there. I did mow this just now. Still gonna mow that one, so yeah. I'll call them in once that's done. So I got most of them sitting on the loft right there. Just gonna wait for the remaining few flying, about 10 or so, till they drop. But yeah, last time I was also doing the exact same thing as I'm doing now, waiting for the last few to drop. Meanwhile, they're sitting right there. I believe this was Friday or Saturday, I'm not sure. And then out of nowhere, a sparrowhawk comes, grabs one of the blue bars and lands right there on the grass. Meanwhile, I'm in here brushing up on my darting skills, and I see it and I throw a dart at it and it just takes off. So that's gonna be the first hawk attack of the season, which is actually quite late. It's usually a little more early, so yeah, might have to bring the pellet gun back over. So they've all dropped down now. I think there's still a grizzle sitting in the trees right there, and one with white flights sitting in that tree right there. But for the rest of them has actually dropped, so why not call them inside? Yeah, I will do a video on the feed one of these days, because as we've come closer to flying season, we've changed loads of things up in the feeding department. So let's try and get them inside. Come. I have actually fed them this morning, so they should come inside a little bit less fast as usual. So these little guys, there's already a few inside, but not many. Come. Let's give these guys a little bit. Yeah, I don't know if you can tell, but the darkening really does help. It's a little bit worse for filming, but it'll have to do. Go. Let's throw a little bit right there. Go. Still gotta get used to the little. Of course, it's gonna be a lot darker for them as well, so it might be a little different. Go. So how many have we got? About 10, 12, maybe 15. Let's try and get the widowers inside. Yeah, still quite a lot sitting. That's what you get for not letting them out while they're really hungry. Yeah, how many? Got quite a few in here already. Go. Got, oh yeah, the remaining ones are probably sitting on there. Not that hungry either. Go. Let's throw a little bit in here. So there should be 9 on here, already 6, so yes, that's number 7. That's actually one of my favorites as of right now. It's a red bar, looking really good. Really well built. One of the better looking birds on here at the moment. Obviously they're still in the mold, so they will turn out nicer ones. They're a little bit older. Yeah, still about 15 sitting outside, so a little better look at the nice one. Actually got one little feather that's a different color. I don't know if you saw that just now. I'm actually not sure which one that is out of, so yeah. But yeah, I'll get them inside off camera, otherwise it'll take too long. So yeah, after this video, yeah, I'm gonna end this video now, but after I end it, there's gonna be a little part for the results, so yeah, stay to watch that. So yeah, anyways guys, hope you guys enjoyed this video, and as always, have a nice day. Cheat. 521 pigeons in the race. Like I said, 100k race. The speeds above 2000 meters a second, so that's over 70 miles an hour that they flew average. So yeah, our first bird was 833, that's the old blue bar. Like I said before, 106th place. Then the second bird we got was the yearling blue bar, 636, which was quite surprising. And then almost lost on the price sheet, we got the third one, which is the old bird, 246, the dark one. So yeah, overall pretty average for a downwind race, not too bad.